Hi, today let's make tasty chicken bread pizza. Here I've taken boiled chicken which has been boiled with salt and turmeric powder. Next I've added in ketchup, Szechuan chutney, salt, pepper and mayonnaise. Mix it really very well and keep it aside. If you're a vegetarian, you can swap the chicken and you can add in paneer and marinate it and keep it aside. Here I've taken onion, corns and two types of bell peppers, which is red and yellow. If you want, you can add the green one as well and keep it aside. Here, because it's a bread pizza, you need bread, one whole loaf of bread. Now take two slices of bread like this, keep it on top of each other and cut it into a triangle shape like this to get that pizza effect, or to get the pizza slices like this, to create that pizza slice. Look at it, it's been created. Now cut the side of the bread as well, and here is our pizza triangle. So repeat the same thing, and you need two layers. One will be the base layer and one will be the top layer. Now take a pan and place the base layer, place one layer of triangle and create that pizza base, and on top of that evenly spread the mozzarella cheese. Now this recipe is by my favorite YouTuber, which is Tasty Tales by Sarthak and Rohini. They have recently done this and I thought I'll recreate it. Now place the next slice of bread on top, and then I'm adding in the garlic aioli, as in add in generously how much ever you need. So add it, and next I'm adding in the topping, which is the onions. Now here you can play around the veggies. If you want broccoli or any other meat, you can play around it. Spread it evenly. Next I'm adding in the bell peppers. Next I'm adding in corn as well, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be adding our chicken spread. Now as I said, if you want, you can add in paneer. Now again on top I've added in the mozzarella cheese evenly, and then close it with the lid for at least 5 minutes. Keep it on a very low flame, and then your tasty loaded cheese burst chicken pizza is ready to serve. You can take a pizza cutter and slice it and enjoy it. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.